Hey y'all, here's everything I eat in a day on the Daniel fast day one. Here's my breakfast. I made a power bowl, and here is me slicing up some lemon for my bowl. And then I love a good chia seed water. It cleanses you out. It's like a really great internal detox shower for your body. It's amazing. Like, love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. Then I made some peppermint tea because that is my favorite drink. I had a little snack, some popcorn with banana, really, really yummy. And then I had some just mango slices from Trader Joe's, and then ended my day with some dinner from Urban Cafe.